Hey guys, so I'm back with another look, and this is the look. I wanted to do a cut crease with just the glitter liner, and I did it a little thicker only because as I open my eyes, you're not seeing them because they are hooded. So let's just do a little bit more here. The front is really what I'm concentrating on. But yeah, that's the look, and it's using the new NYX. This is the liquid crystal body liner. I picked this up in my last haul, and I'm putting to the test the new Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I picked up all of the Wet n Wild. I'm missing one. This is the new packaging. I'm going to be using the, what's this called? Not a Basic Peach. I'm starting off with the, it just says transition. This doesn't have any colors or anything, but I'm using the transition color. And I'm going to put that pretty higher up than normal, only because my eyes are hooded and I want that transition color to cover mostly the whole lid. So you don't really see it, it's skin tone, but that's the color I want to put in there. And then I'm going to go in with the peachy pink color. It's more of like a peachy color. It's got a little bit of glitter, not much. That's going to go in on my crease. So I want this look to be more of a peach pink, not too much pink, not too much peach, something in between if I can get that done without all the singing. So I'm just using my, I think those are Zoeva brushes, and I'm putting that in the crease. They are pretty pigmented. I do love the fact that they're pigmented. You don't have to work as much. I kind of feel like they're the same formula as the old one. It's just a new packaging. The old one I still love. So now I'm going to take the orangey color in the end. It's like a brick color. I'm going to try to make that like the cut crease shape, but I'm going to make the line and then I want to buff it out, make the line, buff it out. I don't want it to be too of a harsh line. So I'm going to make it, buff it out, do it again, buff it out, and that's what I'm doing here. Blending, blending, blending. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take more of that peachy color just to clean it up so it isn't so orange, and just clean up the edges. So I'm going back and forth with the two just so that you can see both colors on the lid. And I was gonna do a darker brown, which you'll see in a minute, but I decided to actually do the lid color, and I'm using that, it's like a pearly white with some glitter on it on the lid, and then I'll go back and do the brown. But for now, I'm gonna do. I was gonna do that color, but I'm gonna do it later. So I'm just gonna put some of the white, and then I'm gonna put some of the Wet n Wild concealer. It's the Photo Focus in light ivory. I'm gonna use that as kind of like the adhesive for what I want to do, even though there is no glitter going on the actual lid. But I want to use that to kind of have something to take away any color that the lid may have, like veins or whatever. So I'm not going to do like a whole crease like I normally do all the way out. I'm just going to do the center of the lid, kind of like a circular kind of shape. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to go in with the brown to kind of make it a little more smoky. And that's a pearly white color that it comes with. It's really a beautiful color. I feel like you could use it as a subtle highlight if you wanted to. It's that nice. So that's what I'm going to put on the lid. And then I'm going to put a little more brown on it. And as you can see, there's really no fallout. This palette is so, so good. I recommend if you find them, pick them up because they're that good. Now I'm going to go in with the brown and I'm going to kind of cut it, but in a circular kind of motion, just so that it's like that outer V kind of, not so much of a sharper edge. And I'm using a smaller brush because I want to keep it really in that little corner, not so smoky like I normally do my eyes. So just in the edge where the white glittery part ends. So that's how it's looking, and I really like how it's turning out. I think I'm gonna do some more blending, and then I want to do some black eyeliner and mascara. And the eyeliner is just my everyday, that's the Jordana black liner. And then a mascara, that's from TJ Maxx. It has no name on it, but that's what I did. And then I just winged it out really, not anything dramatic, just something that, you know, looks everyday like. And then I'm going in with the NYX Crystal Liquid liner, and I'm going to concentrate it mostly on where I have the white part, only because my eyes are hooded, and as you're going to see, once I open it, you really can't see it. But as I'm looking down and I'm working at work, you are going to be able to see it. And that's how it's looking. And then I decided, you know what, I'm going to bring it all the way out to make it kind of like a double wing, which you don't really notice, but I think it still looks nice. And then I'm going to make the edges a little wider, not so thin, only because, again, my eyes are hooded, and you're not going to really see the glitter once my eyes are open. So I'm going in with the LA Girl, the Ultimate Lip Liner. This is in the color, what color is this? It's nude, but it's like a perfect nude. It's not peachy, it's just a non-stop nude is what it's called. And I'm going to line the lips. Sorry, I'm not in focus. And I'm going to fill it in. You're not going to really see it. I'm just dusting off any powder that's left over from the baking. Since I didn't have fallout, I think this palette is just beautiful. That's the highlight that I picked up at Primark. I showed you guys it was $4, and it's so, so beautiful. So I'm going to add that just to add more glitter. Today is supposed to be 70 degrees, so I wanted to have like a nice glowy look, and that's pretty much it. Yes, I love how this look turned out. I'm so, so happy I picked up that liner, and again, watery eyes as always, but I'm going to spray my face with this spray. I picked this up at Marshall. So I wanted to start the glitter look with something like this, something a little soft. And I did the wing, the cut crease with it a little wider, only because my eyes are hooded, and once I open my eyes, as you can see, you don't really see it. But I really like how it looks. I think it's going to be so, so beautiful. Today it's going to be really hot. Not hot, but like pretty warm. So I wanted something a little more colorful. That's why I'm wearing the pink, and I'm using the new Wet n Wild, not a basic peach. I kind of feel like this is the same as the old packaging. It's just a new packaging, and that's what it looks like. I used this on the crease, this pink as my transition color, and then this sparkly white on the lid. and did the same thing on the bottom, just a little bit of the orangey color, and that's the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm gonna be doing more of a glitter look, but I wanted to start off with something like this. And as you can see, it's not a perfect line. Again, my eyes are hooded, and as you can see, once I open them, you don't really see it. So that's the look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys enjoy it, let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.